This looks easy for me.
Make it 200 kg.
Am I alive? I have just landed in Delhi and I have taken up a challenge at one of the craziest premium gyms in Gurgaon. And if I win this challenge, I get a reward. I am so excited for this. Let's go. Thank you. Yo, Anmol, what's up? What's up? Hello.
Very long time.
I've come all the way from Mumbai to Gurgaon. This guy, I met him last year when he was doing Mumbai Marathon.
Welcome to Spartan Fitness. This is your performance center now. We have 10 challenges for you. The plan is to ensure you safely warm up in every challenge.
I'm already warmed up. What is the reward?
Shall we keep it a surprise?
Better be good.
Absolutely. We have some after. So.
Oh, I better do some warm up. Bro, I love your outfit, man. So crazy. Need some good warm up, good stretch before the real game. This is my only chance to be a hero in front of my audience.
Game starts now.
Start off with a unique bench press.
Is there a time limit?
Possible in 30 seconds.
30 seconds, as many reps as possible.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Three,
24,
two,
25. Okay, 25 reps on this in 30 seconds. First station done. How was I?
Well done. Good job. Absolutely.
9 more to go. We learn, we evolve, we win. What is the second one?
Now the second one, move
क्या कर रहे हैं?
shoulders.
You adding some plates to this? Man, look, I know my push strength is good, but he's adding plates, man. How many kgs are these?
10.
10?
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Fuck. 2, 4.
3,
Yeah. 30.
1.
Fuck. I can feel the pressure now. Bro, I know you're a sports and conditioning coach. What else have you been?
Some fun things. At Zomato, I was their chief fitness officer.
Zomato has a chief fitness officer?
Yes,
Have you done Hyrox?
I have. Came second in my age category last year. Plan is to go harder and faster this time.
यार मैंने किस चीज के लिए साइन अप कर लिया ये? Okay, what's the third station?
All right, ready? I have a question before the next challenge. You think you have a stronger upper body or lower body?
Lower body, any day.
Let's see whatever he says. Is that true or not?
भाई नहीं बोलना चाहिए था शायद.
Pendulum squat.
पैर जाम नहीं होने चाहिए.
Are you
Let's
ready?
go. Yes, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
2, 3. Bro, you need to hype me up.
3,
15,
2, 1.
16.
Relax.
I need recovery.
3 up.
I'm excited for the fourth one.
And because you mentioned high rocks, there will be some challenge.
नहीं भाई. I'm excited to see मेरा Google Fitbit Air आज क्या figures दिखाता है. आज रात को मेरा heart rate देखने वाला हूँ मैं. Do you trust Whoop more than a Garmin? According to you, because you're a professional, what's the best tracking device?
For me, ideally, Garmin and Whoop together completes an ecosystem. Garmin is great for intra-workout stats, more performance stats.
Nice.
Completes everything at a rested state. Sleep quality, recovery, heart rate variability. Somebody who's into performance, a Garmin and a Whoop completes the full ecosystem of metrics.
I just put up that topic so that I can buy time in between. Let's go.
Let's see how strong you are in your abs.
I know my abs. I can start right now.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Easy है यार ये तो.
Let's make it actually a challenge and add a little.
अरे भाई. $18, $19. Oh fuck! This is 4 down. I'm still waiting for the result at the end. So are you noting my performance?
I am.
Adding this Reebok multi-coat today. It's got a gum sole. Lateral movements, it is too good. It's built for the court, so appropriately for indoor workouts. So good. Challenge number 5, guys. Looks like a fancy machine.
Called a farmer carry.
Okay, guys. Here is the display.
As much meters as you can in 30 seconds. 2, 1, let's go.
Oh, भाई ये तो move ही नहीं हो रहा. Ah!
3, 2,
Ah!
1, rest.
Okay, 56 meters. 5th station done.
How are you feeling? Halfway.
80% out of 100% energy right now. Honestly, he's going easy on me. Maybe he's just afraid. The reward is too easy at Spartan. Is it, Anmol? You got to just level up, man.
Now you make it 200 kg.
To be honest, I've never done this.
25 meter sled push करना है.
भाई ये हिल नहीं रहा.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
मजा आ रहा है.
Nice. Switch.
Am I alive? Challenging a bit. 6 done.
Last 4 to go.
He's going to step it up more.
In a workout, the challenging bit is the second half.
This is 7th.
Hyperextension.
Oh shit. 10 kgs.
Ready? 2, 1, let's go. Nice.
1, 2. 14. 15. I love this challenge. The easiest way to become a better version of yourself is to have friends like Anmol in your life. Sorted. 7 done, 3 only left.
8 done.
We 8 done. No, we 7 done. Let's have a count.
So we messed up here, guys. Sorry for that.
We 8 done. 2 more to go. So they've written here only grunt if you are a beast. Otherwise, keep your voice down. Let's go.
Touch your triceps right now.
Pullu lag raha hai ekdam.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
2.
3
16,
2, 1.
17,
and rest.
18. Oh. This thing says 60. I feel like 90. Last one. Let's go. Let me refresh with Prime. Result is going to be declared soon. You're not asking me to do this one. It's so difficult. You're doing it so good. Proud of this girl, man.
Ready when you are. Indoor running track.
Oh, I think I can be good at that.
A running clock, 2 minutes in total.
Oh, man.
As many laps as possible.
How many laps I would be able to do in 2 minutes?
5. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I look so cool. My cameraman is running faster than me. What the fuck, bro? मर गया.
45 seconds to go.
नहीं.
Last 45. It's all in the head.
Why did I sign up for this? You think Hyrox has changed the way India looks at fitness?
Absolutely. I think we were always more attracted to community, and Hyrox gives you that space. In Hyrox, they've made it so social. You can literally be with your partner on every station. You can walk around, you actually feel the athlete's energy. So it makes you want to participate.
I think the simplest way Hyrox has been explained today. I definitely love the community side of it, and I am now looking forward to the reward.
Ready?
I'm ready. How much I scored?
I will tell you expectation versus reality. I thought a sneakerhead coming from Bombay hardly works out. But then reality, I would give him an 8 on 10. Every single movement done with great form, which is always more important, and at utmost effort every single station. So great job on that.
8 on 10 is quite respectful for me as of now. Time to take shower. Very excited to see the numbers tonight on Google Fitbit Air. Pretty good workout today. I am so f***ed up right now. This shoe, what a savior. Actually, it performed so well. मैंने इतना expect नहीं किया था. It was way better than what I expected. Reebok multi-coat, love it. We all set for the reward. What is it?
Ready for reward number?
Yes, I'm more excited for it. You said we'll go down.
Spartan Fitness Kitchen.
Wow. Oh, it looks so fun, man. Feels so good and fresh. Badhiya khana. This thing, it's aptly spicy, very tasty. Doesn't feel like butter chicken, but I want to have more of this because I'm selfish right now. You would relate. I want to avoid the rice part and I want to feed on the chicken. It's so good, man. What an experience. Starting off, landing in Delhi, taking up this challenge at Spartan Fitness. One of the OGs in the fitness scene. You guys are going to see him more often in this whole ecosystem. And you know what I love the best about my life is when I meet someone for the first time, someone who is invested in what they're happy about. And when I meet them, I take a bet. And most of the times in my life, that bet has proven amazing in terms of the result. And this is what we are creating today. A whole ecosystem in fitness. I'm loving this. The food is tasty. On that note, I'm saying goodbye to you guys, but with a promise that I'm going to get back to Anmol with some exciting projects in the future. I'll see you guys till my next video. You guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks. Let's go.